Hi Felters, and welcome to day 18 of your Woodland Advent Calendar. The fun continues. Let's get parcel number 18 out. 19, 20, 21. There we go. So, day 18. Let's open it up. Let me show you what's inside. So I didn't want every day or every 2 days to be a project. I wanted everybody to keep up with this project. You've got lots of little things to work on. So today we're just adding to your stash with two lovely colours from World of Wool. We've got Lyra and Centaurus. So let me just show you these in a better light and I'll give you a few ideas of what to do with them. So here they are. So these would be good for fairies, tops of mushrooms, sheep coats, mini wreaths. They would look cute. Pumpkins, gnome beards, wet felting, skies, grass, sea, wet felted soap. You could card it with dog brushes, hair for a chicken, sort of, or for the cockerel. You can make a needle felted mat. You can use it for grass just at the base of your items, plants, flowers, or hats for gnomes. So that's just a few ideas for you, just to see what you think. So I hope you like these two. They're something just a little bit different for your stash supplies, and we will see you tomorrow for another project. Take care, everybody.